Hi, and welcome to the virtual open house for the Stokes Early College High School. My name is Mr. David Durham, and I'm the principal of the Stokes Early College. This open house will include a virtual tour of our campus, comments from teachers and students, and other information about our school. I wish that we could have this open house in person, but hopefully this video, along with all the other opportunities that we have provided for you, will give you an idea of what our school is like. If you still have questions or would like to schedule something individually, please feel free to reach out to us. We hope that you will decide to apply for this unique program and join our school family. Once a Falcon, always a Falcon. The Stokes Early College is a North Carolina cooperative, innovative high school located at the Stokes County Center in the Meadows community of Walnut Cove, North Carolina, in the foothills of Stokes County. Our program is the result of a partnership between the Stokes County government, Stokes County Schools, and Forsyth Technical Community College. We opened our doors in August of 2009 and moved to our current location in 2010. Our school accepts around 50 students each year and typically has an enrollment of around 170 to 180 students. We're starting our tour here at the high school sign, which marks the entrance of the high school portion of the Stokes Center campus. As we pan around, you will see the front entrance, which brings you onto campus from Dodgetown Road. As you enter the campus, you will pass through the college portion of the Stokes County Center by the main Forsyth Tech building, which is D building. This is where students take their in-person college courses. Beside of that building is the college student and staff parking lot. In addition to our students, adult students from the surrounding area take classes at the Forsyth Stokes County Center. On the far side of the parking lot, you will see the Forsyth Tech Trades Building, Building C. This houses classrooms for welding, plumbing, electrical, and horticulture programs. As we continue to pan downhill, we come back to the high school side of campus. This is our parking lot on the left, is for high school student drivers. Beyond the parking lot, by the flagpole, you will see the A building of the high school campus. Across the road from A building, you will see B building of the high school, which is located beside of the outdoor picnic shelter, which many of our students use to eat lunch during our lunch period. Next, we will be going inside the high school buildings. As we continue the tour of the Stokes County Center of the Stokes Early College High School, we are going to enter the A building of the high school. This was the first building placed on campus back in 2010. This building houses the high school office, which is located here on the left. We have 4 high school classrooms located in this building. The counselor is located here, the school secretary and office manager, and the principal. Each building has a computer lab. This is the computer lab in A building. A building also houses our small library that was created a few years ago. Has a few books of selection. Here is one of our science classrooms. And one of our English classrooms. As we depart A building, we'll walk across the road to B building. As you can see outside, there is a picnic shelter that many of our students use to eat lunch during our lunch period. This is the faculty and staff parking lot. This is also an area where we play games outside, basketball, volleyball, and those kinds of things. Also, the college PE classes may use this area as well for outdoor activities. Next, we'll go into B building. As we enter B building, you can see that this building is pretty much set up the same way as A building. This was the second building placed on campus back in 2011. As you enter the building, this is a small cafeteria on the right. This is where we serve lunches that are brought to us from Southeastern Stokes Middle School. This is not set up as typically it is set up during current situations, but this is where students will get their lunches. On a typical year, lunches are set up, or tables are set up just like regular lunchroom. Also on campus, the Stokes County Schools Data Center is located here. These are not necessarily high school entities, but they work with data managers from all across the county. B Building Computer Lab. This is one of our math classes. B building also has 4 high school classes in it, just like A building. This is one of our social studies classrooms. And another Stokes County department, Stokes County Schools Department, the Department of Special Programs for Stokes County Schools, is also based here at the Early College. Next, we're heading up to the Forsyth Tech building, which is D building on campus. This building was built around 2016, 2017, and this houses all of the most of the college classes on campus. We'll be entering the building. There's 2 floors to the building, and we'll show you a few classrooms. As we enter the main building here, there's the first floor. This was a bookstore in the past, which may be turned into a student lounge or something in the future after things get back to normal. We have a vending area for students' use. There's 2 computer labs in this building, so when students have college classes that are online or they may need to use a computer, this is one of the computer labs that they can go to. Continuing on the first floor, we have 3 classrooms on this floor, which can be individual classrooms or combined to one big open classroom. As you can see, that's the way it's set up at this point. Head back down the hall on the first floor. There's the other computer lab, as mentioned. This leads to the administrative offices for Forsyth Tech employees. We're back where we came in. This is the front office reception area for Forsyth Tech. Next, we'll head upstairs to the second floor, which has mostly the science classrooms. As we enter the second floor, there's a lounge area where students hang out between classes on a typical year. A chemistry lab. One of the classrooms upstairs, single classrooms. Another science classroom. There's 3 science classrooms on the second floor. Entrance to faculty office, instructor offices. And as we enter the end of the second floor of the main Forsyth Tech building, we have the nursing lab, the nursing skills lab. And that is the Forsyth Tech main building. Our next building is the Forsyth Tech Trades Shop building, Building C on campus. This is the newest building on campus, and hopefully we'll be able to get some classes in here starting in the fall of 2021 for our students. So we'll be heading inside this building. This building will house our plumbing, or Forsyth Tech's plumbing program. So this is the classroom for the plumbing program. Again, we really have not had any classes in this building yet, just a few. Next is the welding classroom. You see the welding bays. I think they may have had a few this spring. Another entrance to the welding classroom. And here at the end of the hallway, we have our electrical program, or Forsyth Tech's electrical program. There's some fuse boxes, breaker boxes, I mean. And the final classroom in this building is the horticulture classroom. Again, not very utilized at this point, but hopefully by the fall of 2021.